Alright guys, back with another wee Amazon unboxing. I know what the package is. Came out today and it's a special thing. It is the 4K Ultra HD Last of Us Season 1 Steelbook from HBO. Directed by Craig Mazin of Chernobyl fame and Neil Druckmann, who created the game. They both wrote the show as well. This is one of the best TV shows to come out in recent years. Very faithful adaptation of the game. Probably the best video game adaptation to date. Which is not saying much, but truly amazing. See the special features, 2 hours of bonus content. Very nice. Have to see what that is. If you've never seen it before, highly recommend this show. Let's open this up and see what's inside. As you can see, there is infected by the cordyceps, the mushroom plague. It's very nice, very, very good artwork. This cost, are these stickers? They are. We've put stickers of the age ratings on the side so you can peel them off at your own discretion. I don't think I will. Let's open it up. One disc. First 2 episodes. Well, the pilot is essentially 2 episodes. So that's 3 there. 2 there. Another 2. The last 2. I wonder what the bonus features are, because there's usually a separate disc, so I assume each disc has its own bonus features, which is interesting enough. Very nice. This cost £50, £10 over the regular Blu-ray, but big fan of the games and the series, so thought worthwhile investment. £50 on Amazon. I'll have a wee watch of this tonight probably. Highly recommend. Watch the show if you haven't, play the games if you haven't, especially the second one, which I'm excited to see how they adapt. Unpopular hot take, you might say. Second game's better than the first, and I'll leave it there.